Hi everyone, welcome to JAL Talks YouTube channel. A lot of people question me about the Ireland student visa process, so I am going to explain the step by step today. So first, so you want to select a university or college in Ireland. So you can Google search to find your particular university. There are very good universities in Ireland, so you can find what universities you are going to select with your interest course. So that is very important. So I will list up the universities names now, so you can go through that. There are a lot of technological institutions also there, so you can find some technological institution as well. So my first advice is find the course which is relevant to you and which is interest to you, because here the education system is very challenged. That means no any exam system like that. So we need to do some lot of assignment work. So every, for example, 100% marks, they divide normally for 3-4 assignments, so like that. So you have to do the individual assignment, group work assignments, some projects, particular companies. You need to select some companies for projects, and finally you have to do some presentations for particular company. If you take example marketing strategy or digital marketing subject, so there are one subject called marketing strategy. So in this case you need to select particular company, uh, which is very interesting. You need to study their marketing strategies from their annual reports or their websites, and you have to go through their mission, vision, and their long-term marketing plan. Everything you have to study, and you have to present to the particular company. The company will come and you need to present their what is the gaps you identify in the marketing strategy, and what you are going to recommend them, what is the new marketing strategy should be, and how you can integrate with the digital marketing strategy for like that. This is the one example I am sharing with you. Like that, all the subjects are very practical and very they link with the current job market. So that is a good thing here. So you should be very active when you come here for study. So that is number one. So second, if you select the universities, so you check the course fees and the English exam. That particular university required some particular English exam, so everyone except here Duolingo, IELTS, TOEFL, so that is the accepted courses, English courses. So you have to meet the English criteria. So first, my strong advice is you should prepare the English language exam, so whatever it is. Third one, so after you select your particular university and course, and you after your English exam, so you have to study the student visa process. So specifically in Ireland, everything in the online, so you can go through the official Ireland website, so I will share with you. So please go through there, and there are a lot of documents you have to prepare. So first one is the online application form, so that is very easy, you can fill it, and then you will get the reference number. Please keep the reference number, which is very important for you, and they will send you the student supplementary form. That is should be you print and written by hand. I mean, this should be the handwritten. So you have to fill it, and this form is basically asking you basic questions and the sponsor details. So please note that there one form is there, page number 13 or 14. So you have to print the form. I mean, everything you have to print, but that particular form you have to fill it that signed by your particular sponsor. For example, your father or father-in-law or your brother, if they sponsor you, so they have to sign in the bottom. So make sure if they live overseas, you need to send them and get a scanned copy of that, then you need to attach with that. So that is the second document. Third document, that is for the financial explanation letter. So here you need to explain your financial situation. So how you are going to meet the living cost in Ireland, and the cost fees, and if you are married or if you have dependents, how they are going to live in particular country. I mean, for example, in Sri Lanka or India, they will accept your bank balance first. That is number one. And second, they accept your spouse or your parents or your in-laws, I mean father-in-law or mother-in-law bank statements, and your brother sister's bank statement as well if they are sponsor. So third one, EPF balance, if you have EPF, and if you have pension fund. But yes, that is another source you can show that. And fourth one is any fixed assets or any vehicle if you have, so you can solve out. And but you should keep in your bank balance with the statement reference number your car sale, for example, like that, a land scale like that. So that is those 5 financial sources they are accepting. So be prepare for the financial source, and you have to prepare the financial explanation letter. If you need any sample letter, please comment here and then let me know your email address, so I am happy to share with you the sample format. So basically the 3 documents you have to prepare. Other than that, there are checklists is there, so go through the checklist. Some documents you have to prepare according to the checklist. For example, if you have 2 passports, take a copy of all the pages of the passport. So that is one of the criteria. Of course, I forgot to say one of the insurance. You need to take 1 year insurance from which is valid for UK one. I will share the link with you. You can go through that. That is around 35,000 you need to pay. That is valid for 1 year, except the COVID related diseases or issues. They will accept all the sickness, so you can claim if you have any issue when you are in Ireland. And your pay slips, if you are going to say that is your own financial source, so they need to prove that your bank statement, 6 bank statement with a particular pay slip. So please keep your pay slips last 6 months and your bank statement as well as 6 months. If you have any FD, please keep the last 6 month FDs regularly. You can keep the FDs with relevant financial source. So this is also very important for that. So I am going to explain now if you are going to take a sponsor, so what are the documents you need to prepare. Number one, their identity. That means their passport with their PR or citizen, so they need to show their identity. And second one, their bank statement. Their bank statement also for 6 months, so that should be need to bring from the particular sponsor. And the third one is their pay slips. The pay slips is also you need to bring from them. Finally, one of the 2 letters. One is just general letter. There is format is there. I am happy to share with you if you need. And the fifth one, which I mentioned you, it is with the supplementary agreement form. So you need to take separately print, and you need to get the signature from sponsor. So 5 documents from sponsor, so you need to bring from them. In this particular in Sri Lanka, we don't have embassy, so you need to go through there. They have consulants, so you need to go there and hand it all your documents. So for at the moment, because of the COVID, they will accept only Wednesdays 10 to 1. So no need any appointments, you can go there. So they will check all the document. Particular officer will come down the first floor. So you when you go there, and when you order, they will call you, and you need to submit your document. They will check. So please bring all the original documents separately in one file, and all the copy of your original certificates. They will check the original certificates, and they will accept only copy of your certificates, all the copy of the certificates. So keep the separate 2 files, and you need to pay 2,500 for the admin cost. There is no any finger, there is no any photos. So they will accept only your documents, and they will send to also scan or send to the India for their embassy. They have an embassy in the Delhi. So they will check all the documents within they're saying 20 to 15 working days. They will let you know the result. embassy India Island website. You can go and check your results after 3 weeks. They will release the result every Tuesday evening and Friday morning, if I'm right. So you can go with your reference number. They will release one of the PDF file every 2 days. Friday and Tuesday. So you can go and check your reference number and you can find your result. They will let you know the result there, like is approved, or if it is rejected or refused, they will let you know the reason. So then normally in Sri Lanka, the consulate is here, so they will call you, and if your visa is granted, they will ask you to bring your passport. Before, they will get the copy of the passport, so they won't collect your your original passport. So when they call you, you need to bring your passport and they will stamp. Only they will stamp for 3 to 4 months visa, don't worry. So you can travel with 3 or 4 months visa, but after you came here, through your university, you need to get the police appointment. They call here GARDA, GARDA, GARDA. So you need to get the appointment through your university to register yourself to get another balance 1 year visa. In the next video, I will explain you what you have to do after you arrived here. So what are the system in Ireland you have to follow. Of course, you need to bring your valid COVID negative result within the 3 days, 72 hours. So please bring it. So I think those information definitely will help you. So if you have more questions or if you have any comments, please type here. I am happy to help you. Good luck with your studies. Cheers. Thanks.